Right, let's go and check out my room, or my apartment rather. So, got a kitchen as we walk in. Oops, there's my fridge. Let's wander up. Here's my bedroom. And then into the bath and shower. Yep, excellent. And the main attraction, there is my view of the marina. Doesn't get much better in terms of location. Look at this. And I am immediately going to go down there and eat some food because I'm starving. Good morning everybody, and welcome to a very windy day here in Monastir. So windy in fact that last night it sank that boat in the harbour. Yeah, I was kind of regretting my choice of a marina front room last night because it was so loud. Everything flapping around. We've got the tree up there, we got the flag, things being knocked over. Yeah, it was pretty windy. But hey, it could be worse. I could be the owner of that boat. Right, today's mission is to wander around Monastir and find all the stuff of interest for tourists.